All right, this is LookStand. So it's a really cool product that allows you to view your phone. You know, of course, if you've got your phone here like this, you know, if you're trying to cook or maybe you're eating or something that your hands free, and you got your phone here, you know, if it's just sitting on a table, you're not going to be able to not be able to see kind of what you've got going on. And so having a stand again like that or like that is a really great way to be able to you know, see your phone while you're hands free. So let's open this up and see what it looks like. Ooh, so first things first, look at how tiny this is. Like, you definitely keep this in a pocket, take it with you. That is super cool. But the way that you open this is you pop that open there. This flips all the way around and you set it down like that, and there you have it. You got your LookStand, and it comes with this super cool detach mount, making it easy to you have this attached to your phone. So this isn't, of course, permanently attached, so that you can just stick your phone. You stick your phone on this, and it's good to go. And the detach mount's awesome because it doesn't affect wireless charging. So I think that's super cool. But here you have it. This is the LookStand, and it's a kind of a really cool tool to have. That look at that can tilt. There you go. A really cool tool that you can have. You can also probably use this to even record videos, which is cool. And I didn't even really think about that until looking at this. You could, like, you know, record videos, be hands free for video conferencing, as well as just use it to view content or do whatever you're doing. Super cool. I think this also, there you go. Look at that. That also rotates. Such a cool product. Very well designed. I'm a fan.